something wonky like cars.
The kid that came here earlier who walked by with his dad. And the other guy's got a gun.
I have to...
Dude, don't let the kid do.
Throw it out.
Sorry. Did you hit him? Yeah. What do you say? He's out? Why can't you hit him more?
That's not a little kid. Who's that little kid?
The little kid's got a gun, I think. Come on.
Hey, are you playing?
Okay. You can check out what's going on? Cool.
I'll shoot you. Dude, who are those guys over there?
Are they with you?
I got two down here.
Are those guys over there with you?
Guys want to spread out? You're all
Oh, man.
Let's just check them out. Just move up a squad.
Remember, I'll sit back with Topher.
Yeah, Nick. Is everybody dead over there?
I can't tell you.
Right,
I'll shoot you in the head if you don't tell me.
we know they're back there. So
You got everyone with armed guns around you.
I'll sit back with Topher. Just on the camera. And
I can't tell you.
Hey, I think you three
James
should go down there.
I'll go.
Yeah, he got out.
Yeah, you should go down there.
That's all I can tell you.
You've got the sniper.
Hey, we're like a scouting party. Let's go. Good luck. Hey, we still got one guy down here.
One guy, alright. Yeah,
No,
Topher,
get her there.
you got the,
Let's go check.
you got the
He's right
sniper.
there.
He's coming
Two of
down.
them.
Got him. Yeah.
That was nice. There's one more. There's one more to the right. I shot him right here.
You all shot him.
I didn't
We all
see the camera running away.
He's
Who's
still
that?
alive. Let's go get him.
He
Who's
shot me
that
in the
kid in the
helmet.
back?
Yeah, they all gone?
Should we just all spray over there?
There's one more to the right. There's one more over there.
Oh, dude.
Is anybody over there?
Yeah, I saw a guy behind a tree.
Dude, there he is. Some guy walking.
Hey, I think
Open fire.
Here, you three go down there.
Hey,
like,
they're not out. They're not out.
No idea who's on our team.
Going to ammo. Let's go. Well, this is everyone on our team right now.
Yeah, Troy.
Hey.
You want to go up there and just check it out?
Everyone except who's here is pretty much not on our team.
Yeah, come on.
If they start shooting, we need you.
Troy and I are going to check out
They're over there.
Can I get your pistol?
They're over there.
Yeah.
Dude, they're shooting at us.
We don't know, but they are.
They're not even shooting. They're shooting. They're shooting.
That's another cameraman down there.
Hey. They're reloading. No, they're reloading down there.
Okay. Well, I'm rushing
Can I
then.
talk to you? That's what I thought.
It's a bit time. Is everyone down there out, Nick?
Yeah.
I think so.
All right, cool.
Hey, let's go get him. You don't say, hey, those guys over there on the right. Those guys staying there.
Guys, they're still in. Nick, those guys got me still in.
Looks like it. They're reloading.
They're shooting at me and Alex. Hey, you want to come with us?
Can you hold my, or no?
I'm going to go down there. Stay mouth, let's go. Get behind cover and save it out for me. Let's go.
Hey, I'll be your backup. I'll be in it.
Hey, you guys out! What? You're on our team.
Game over!